How to change your Supercell ID email on Clash of Clans. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Clash of Clans and click on the gear icon at the bottom right. Here, click on Open at the top. After you click on Open in here, click on the gear icon and here on the left side. There is no one way to change your Supercell ID. What you can do is click on Change Email. Press on OK. Press on Yes. And as you can see, verification code has been sent to my mail. After this, what you need to do is open your Gmail app. There, you'll find email request option. Simply click on enable in there, or you will find the code. Simply type in the code in the mail given. After you've done that, press on submit. Enter your new email. Press on submit. Verification code will be sent to your new email. Repeat the same process. Open Gmail app of the new email. After you have opened Gmail app of your new email, simply search for the mail of Supercell and type in your code. After you have typed in your code, press on submit. And after you do that, confirm email change, press on confirm, press on OK. And as you can see, it has been changed. This is how to change your Supercell ID email on Clash of Clans. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.